welcome back to StudyBuddy Code channel. We're solving SAT maths questions in the domain algebra. The difficulty level is medium. If you'd like to know how I've selected these questions, you can go back to the first video in this playlist. Let's start reading the question now. Which of the following graphs in the XY plane could be used to solve the system of equations above? So I'll let you pause the video now and try to solve this by yourself. Okay, let's start solving the question now. So they've given us these two equations and they're asking us which of the following graphs could be used to solve the system, to find a solution. So what they're actually telling us is to find the correct graph that matches these two equations. So we need to find the graph of these two equations. That's what they're saying here. Okay. So first of all, you can use Desmos. You can just type in these two equations and you would get a certain graph and you could match it with one of these. However, as always, we'll start solving this by paper first. Okay, so two equations, x plus 5y equals 5, equals 5, and 2x minus y equals -4. Okay? Okay, so here, if you try to get a graph from this, it's not that simple. We are going to convert this into the general form of the of a line, okay, which is y equals mx plus b. Sorry. However, here we need to convert it. We have two ways of conversion. Okay, the first way. Let me take the first equation here. The first way is, okay, let me rewrite it, is to send all the other values except y to the other side. So let me just show you. 5y equals 5. This is plus, so here it will be minus x. 5 minus x. Y equals, it's multiplying here, so here it will divide. You can simplify this further. This will be y equals 5 divided by 5 and minus x divided by 5. So we're basically giving this and giving this, separating it. This will be y equals 1 minus x divided by 5, or negative x divided by 5 plus 1, and negative 1 divided by 5x plus 1. So in that way you can get your equation in that form. The second way, which is much more easier, I'm going to show you, instead of just a second. Okay, instead of taking x and 5 to the other side, this is much easier. I'm going to show you. So there's a type of formula, and if you search it on Google, you'll get it, which is that to find out the slope of such an equation, there's actually the general form of this type of equations, which is ax plus by equals c. This is the standard form. This is another form, okay? This is the general form, and this is another type of linear function, or another type of writing a linear function, okay? The slope in this case is negative a divided by b. Negative a divided by b. The x-intercept can be found out by c divided by a, and the y-intercept is going to be c divided by b. All right, so that's how you do it, and this is much more easier. I'm going to show it to you very quickly. This is the second way. Okay, so let's take the first equation. X plus 5y equals 5, correct? The slope, negative a. A here is 1, okay? The slope will be M equals the slope -1 divided by b, which is 5. And we also need the y-intercept, not the x-intercept. We don't need this for now, okay? The y-intercept can be found out like this. Y or b equals c divided by b, right? So 5 divided by 5, which is 1. Let's also find out the x-intercept so that we can calculate it easily on this graph here. X intercept equals c divided by a, which is 5 divided by 1. It will be 5, okay? And let's apply this similarly on the other equation, which is 2x minus y equals -4. So let me divide this here, okay? 2x minus y equals -4. M is equal to -a divided by b, so -2 divided by -1, because y here is -1, so it will equal to 2, okay? B, which is the y-intercept, is c divided by a, so it will be -4 divided by 2, which it is going to be -2. The x-intercept, I don't know why I keep writing the dash as a dot. Anywho, the x-intercept is going to be c divided by, oops, I did something wrong here. The y-intercept is c divided by b. So -4 divided by b, which is -1 here. It's 4. My mistake, sorry. X-intercept is going to be c divided by a, which is -4 divided by 2, as we calculated earlier. It's going to be, let me write it here, equals -2. All right, we have our values here, and now let's try to match this with the graphs given. You don't have to solve it like this. Use Desmos to quickly solve it. However, I am going to solve this on paper just to show you another way as well. Okay, so here, let's zoom in on these equations. Okay, I've zoomed in now. Let's start solving this now. Okay, let's start with the first one. All right, let's not start with the slope first. Let's start with the y-intercept and the x-intercept. We'll be able to find out the graph quickly. B, or the y-intercept here, is 1. So if you see here closely, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm not going to write that. We'll just understand, okay? Y is 1. This is 4. This is 1. Okay, so this one is 1. All right? And the x-intercept is supposed to be 5. However, here it's -4. So that's not correct. Wrong. Option B. As usual, okay, B is 1. Okay, the x-intercept should be 5. That's not correct. The x-intercept is 1 here, so not correct. Okay, let's see the third option now. The y-intercept is 1, okay, and the x-intercept should be 5. It's definitely not 4 here, so let's leave this for now. This second one, sorry, the last option, the slope is 1. The y-intercept is 1. Here we don't have the y-intercept as 1. We have it as -1. So that's wrong. Here, let's go back to this one. Let's check it with our second given equation. The y-intercept here is 4. All right. And the x-intercept is -2. Is that correct? That is correct. It is option C. All right. Let's start solving this with Desmos now. Alright, so I've typed in the equations that they gave us, not the ones we converted, that they gave us. As you can see, when I just type them, I quickly get these graphs, and immediately I can match it with the options given, and the answer will be option C. So you can see how fast it is to solve it with Desmos. Okay, and that's all. Thank you.